Let's take a look at the SPY this morning. Slightly below Friday's close. It's been in a range between 280 and 265 for the past month or so. Our watch list, quite a few to the downside this morning. We got Apple getting hit this morning. A lot of volume, moo. But I'm liking this XEC and WDC for short. For long, just this TTWO looks all right. But we'll see what the market gives us this morning. I'm going to take a short on XEC at the ask here if it gives it to us. Looks a little extended to the top end here. Squeezing a lot of shorts out right here. All right, we're in for 100. All right, we'll keep 100. And we'll see what happens here. Our stop loss will be probably around 86. Target, I like 84.50 area. I like it below it, but we'll see. It's squeezing right now. All right, XEC is not looking good here. It just popped over our stop area really hard. But only 100 shares, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an extra 50 up here at 86.16. Oh, 14. Oh, it's going to drop right now. It stinks. All right, it's probably going to drop now. See that topping tail right there? It's a nice topping tail, so take this up a little close. I'd like to see it drop hard right here. Here it comes. Would have been nice if I had those extra 50 shares. XEC. All right, it's coming down to us here. I'd like to see it around 84.50. We're losing on it, so if it doesn't work soon, I might come out of it. Market is flat. It's not doing anything. WDC. I'm going to take this right here for a short at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 46.17. Daily looks great for a short. This thing's been downtrending for a while now. You know, slowly, but just downtrending. Intraday it gaps down, flushes first couple of candles, and then gets bought up right over the 9 where we're at now. And I'm thinking it's just going to turn around here and drop. Target, I'd like it around 45.80 area, and stop loss will be around 46.50, over 46.50. WDC, it's looking good here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's coming our way. I'd like to see it drop a little bit more. You know what? No, it should drop a little bit more. Let's look at XEC. This one's coming down hard. That was a nice downward move there, but it got bought up right all the way down there. I'm actually going to try to take this right here if it gives it to us. This thing's been being a pain. All right, we're out. We're out for about a 40-cent gain on it. Only 100 shares, but this thing's been a pain, you know. So I'll take that. WDC, this one's working out too. Let's go to WDC at 86. All right, we'll take this right here at the 81 if it gives it to us at the bid. All right, we're out. We're out for close to 40 cents, about 38 cents or so. I'll take that. TSLA, look at this thing break out here. Might be interested in a short just because probably get a lot of selling after it gets over 363 area, then maybe go short. TSLA, I'm going to take a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. It's a risky trade. All right, we're in. We're full in here at 361.19. Daily does not look good for a short, and neither does the intraday. But the market's coming down. This thing is extended as hell. Might see a little pain, but the way the market's acting here, it looks like it's going to drop. So I'm thinking this one, we can get this one down to at least 360, maybe below. And stop loss will be good size stop loss on this one, just because it's going to turn around here. It's going to squeeze maybe a little bit more here, but it's going to turn. I wanted to get it over this, but I'm thinking as soon as this is done here, this thing's going to turn around, drop hard, especially if the market continues to drop here. Target on this one, I like it below 360. TSLA, squeezing us right here. It's at my stop area, but I'm going to hold off a little bit. I think it's gonna finish off right here and drop. The market is dropping, so TSLA, it's coming back to us now. Nice big fat red candle. We were losing on it now, so got to be a little cautious. I mentioned earlier to get in it at 363 area. That would have been the perfect area. We would have got a nice point real fast, but I jumped the gun. But the market's still going down. As soon as it breaks the lows here, should take this with it. TSLA, all right, it's coming back to us now. Market's still dropping. I like to at least get something for the pain. All right, it's coming down. I'm actually going to try to take this right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for about a 60-cent gain on it. Oh, I should have waited, but you know, when you're losing on a trade like that and you start winning on it, you kind of have to act on it. Look at that thing drop now. That's where I wanted it below 3. Oh, and there it goes. Look at that thing drop. I'm going to take another short on XEC at the ask if it gives it to us. Second trade on it. All right, we're in. We're in for 100. You know what? Stay with 100. 100 shares at 87.96. Second trade on it. This thing's been uptrending all morning, so I think once the buying is done, it should drop, especially if the market continues to drop. Stop loss on this one will be over last Friday's close, and target, I'd like it below 87, around 87. This one might be finishing off here, and then it'll probably drop hard. Depending on how far up it goes, I'll change my my exit strategy. I think it'll drop hard once it starts to drop. Good thing we got out of it earlier. We got out at 45.81 right here. So it came all the way up here. So see how fast this thing can move? So once it starts dropping, it should drop hard too. And the market's not letting up. The market's still dropping. No mercy. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Only 100 shares. Only got 100 earlier too. XEC went right to our stop area and got rejected up there. So I'm thinking now it's going to drop. Market is relentlessly dropping now. It tried to climb here and it turned around. Should bring this one right back down. XEC, only 100 shares. I'm going to try to take it right here at the bid if it gives it to us. XEC. All right, we're out. We're out for close to 80 cents. Take that. It was only 100 shares though. Market's still dropping. XEC, we got out of it just in time. Look at that thing. We got out around right here, and it squeezed right back up. It actually went down a little bit more, but I'm actually going to take XEC right here for one more short at the ask, if it gives it to us. It's be our third trade on it. I like the way it's squeezed all the way back up here. There's a lot of resistance up here, so I'm thinking if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're full in this time. Last two trades on it, we only got 100 shares, but we finally got the full amount here. Stop loss will be over the top here. Yeah, that'll be the stop loss. It'll probably go over a little bit here, but I'm thinking the market's weak. It's probably going to turn around here and start going back down, and this thing will follow suit. It started going up mostly because the market started to go up. But we'll see what happens here. Stop loss will be over the highs. Target, I like it below 88, somewhere around 87.75, but maybe more. If it's if we can get a good size candle like this one. Look at this candle. This candle went from 86.70 all the way up to 88.06. That's a big push. XEC squeezed right there, so it took out a lot of stops right there. So, but it's coming right back. So we'll see what happens here. I'm thinking it's just going to drop now. It took out all those stops there, and it'll probably just reverse and drop. Probably drop hard too. XEC, all right, just coming back to us. Probably going to have some decent momentum here. Gave us a scare there with that nice big fat squeeze there, but it had no follow through. I'm liking this to at least below 88.25, just because we were losing on it. So now I got to think a little differently on it. Maybe 88. We'll see if we can push it to 88, and then we'll take it. If I would have put a stop loss there, boom, it would have taken me out quick like that. But if it would have kept going, then it would have been good that I got taken out. But usually they come back. I should probably get out of this right now. But the market right here is turning. So it's telling me that this is going to drop, I'm thinking. Unless the market turns around and goes up, then I'm going to have to come out of this. XEC. This thing does not want to crack this area here. Cracked once, but if it does, it should be a nice crack. Look at the market. Market's coming down. It's about to crack the lows here. It just did. The market should take everything with it, mostly, and that includes XEC. XEC finally cracks this area here. Thinking it's got some momentum here, so I'm going to wait till it gets to around 88.10. Then I'll probably take it. Here it comes. I'll try to take it right here at the 14 if it gives it to us. Oh, we're out. We're out for a little over 40 cents. I think it was 45 cents. But it's being bought up there right now. That one held on for a while. That one was just sitting right there in that zone there. And then finally, it listened to the market because the market was just downtrending. It moved up because the market moved up there. And then as the market was moving down, it was holding. It was holding right above Friday's close. And then finally, it couldn't hold. The market just said, hey, you got to come down. And it came down. But that's going to be my last trade. We're up 321. Let's take a look at the trades. All winners, mostly all small winners. The biggest winner on XEC. And that's it. Thanks for watching.